Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla creme brulee. Start your culinary journey by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of rich heavy cream, 4 large egg yolks, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for the custard. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract or a half vanilla bean for that classic flavor. Also, have your 4 to 6 ounce ramekins ready for baking. Now let's create that luscious custard. Begin by gently heating 1.5 cups of heavy cream with your vanilla until it just simmers, but don't let it boil. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and pale. Slowly pour about 1/4 of the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Then, combine everything and strain it for a silky smooth custard. It's time to bake our custards. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the strained custard into your 4 to 6 ounce ramekins, filling them almost to the top. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish. Now, carefully pour boiling water into the baking dish, ensuring it comes about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes until the edges are set but the center still has a slight wobble. The final, most exciting step is creating that iconic caramelized topping. First, ensure your custards are thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each cold custard. Using a kitchen torch, melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown and crisp crust. Move the flame continuously to avoid burning. Serve immediately to enjoy the perfect contrast of textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.